niya.
Are you going? Perfect. I am allergic. I have some pain, so we go very slowly. Siga in Greek.
Here is about 10 years.
Find the octopus, the frogfish. What's the other thing? The picnic cigars on the island. I never saw yesterday.
About 25 meters.
Do you think we can try sometime before I go?
Tomorrow.
Please?
Try tomorrow.
Thank you so much. I never saw seahorse like that. Never.
Because yesterday, right now, the GN of Rodari, the current was strong.
So we can try before I go.
Sure. We have to go earlier tomorrow about 7:30.
And yeah, that would be a dream come true.
That is a yellow one.
Hindi na maganda yun.
Wala na ba dito? Ano? Wala lahat, wala na.
Wala na.
Ay, yung may lalim wala na.
Yeah, see the seahorse? I never saw it.
Bilang dun ah. Bilang? Kasi mayroon kahapon sa Karsel.
Wala sa Agos.
Pinagtanda yan. Baka pinagtanda.
Nice na daw niya.
At the moment,
Baka pinagtanda ko yan. Hindi rin yung ano
stock is scarce.
Yeah.
Limited to like maybe well yesterday.
Pinakita na ni Gian yung kami. I'd love to see.
Hello. Ready? Yeah, okay. Alright.
Whatever.
Ready, the left people. Yeah. Go. Sige, dito kayo. Sorry. Okay, sir. Clear.
So,
Ilang meters dito sa baba?
Say, ilang meter?
Nasa 7 yata ito.
Kita ba? Kahit mo ako na.
We can
I'll try to talk tomorrow.
Are, yung ano na?
call my friend. No, it's not supposed to be day after.
Yeah, it's day after.
Anyway, we talk tomorrow. Okay, good. But if you can ask someone. Thank you.
I have a we did 5 6. If you want to focus,
Oh, sorry. Let's have a look. And today it's fixed. They fixed nothing. They fixed the gate.
Pwede mo mag-control yung music sa speaker dyan ha. Gusto mo off, pwede off dyan. Next, pwede din sa speaker.
Aladdin?
yes sir.
I can take the last one. The other one. Or you want
I never bring that.
You can take it.
Gusto ko kung talaga siya masagal.
Eh, ito. Baka daw malabo mata mo. Gamitin mo na. Nang wala na ka muna guys. Hoy, ayan mo ka ayo sila data mo ni kanina ko. Ren. Ren, ayan mo ka ano. Gabi no, dapat ka. Hawa
Okay,
mo.
sir.
Ren. Hawa mo ata. Ren. Hawa mo ayo.
Sir, a little bit backward. Backward, sir, backward. More, more. Backward, backward.
Ren.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Ito.
Oh, para bigyan mo yan.
Hindi ka na nasanay dyan.
Ito kayo mga pugi, yung papahuli.
Pagsugod na sugod mga una na. Lagi mo pahuli yan.
Dito pala ng mga ano. Gusto kasi ako tumayan ng cellphone na. Pakuha na lang. Nakaano yun nakabit. Abot na lang ito, boss.
Pare. Ito na, pare. Sige. Yan.